Hello everyone, myself Ustad and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I turn this vector scissors into a 3D and quite realistic image. Let me show you how it's done. Here we are in Photoshop. I decided to start with the background of a wall type of texture, then I dropped the scissors vector image along with the two metal rusted image texture in order to give it a real look of a scissors. Duh! Then I masked out both of them and erased the second texture with a soft round brush from some parts so that it doesn't look plain and both of them could be seen. You know what I'm trying to say. Well, never mind. Then I adjusted the hue and saturation of these textures along with curves adjustments layer. Then I used the drop shadow to add some shadow under the scissors, and let me tell you one thing, that it adds a lot of detail to the image. Further, I noticed that I can add some shadows near this area. Like this area. Well, I don't know what is this area called, but still dude, I managed to draw some shadows to this area. Then I added a screw, placed it on the center, I guess so, and repeated the steps like shadows, colors, lights, and etc. 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 Now here comes my favorite part of the video, and that is drawing highlights and shadows. But first, let me tell you one thing, that I don't have any graphics tablet. I managed to draw them with the help of my pen tool. Though it's difficult, but the results are quite similar to that of the graphics tablet. Now it's time to give the scissors its gums, and for that I found the image of flesh which can be used for it. I use curves adjustment tool to match it with the scissors background. And here we go for the teeth, for which I found a great PNG image for them. So basically I just copied them again and again and positioned them accordingly to the scissors. When I got finished with the upper jaw, I just copied them, flipped them, and used exactly the same for the lower jaw, and then yes, the curves for the shadows and lights.
Then for the tongue, first of all I drew a rough path and then dropped a real tongue image, and dude, it was quite difficult for me to drop it again and again, but still I managed to drop a sexy tongue. With shadows, highlights, and at last with camera raw filter, it's all done, and this does looks like great to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.